So finally the NK RCT5 Special NK Sport Division tarmac spec wheels for the TurboCat 15 into 7J just arrived from Japan in 3 days time. Let's just open it.